Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about Lighting Shared Scooter Company, also known as LSSC, and whether it's a legit business or something you should steer clear of. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. Everything I'm about to share in this video is based on public research and personal opinion. So what is LSSC? According to their official website, they claim to be a Hong Kong-based scooter sharing company aiming to revolutionize urban mobility. Their business model is built around people investing in scooters, which you then share with others. Sounds pretty standard, right? But here's where things get sketchy. A Reddit post I came across raised some serious concerns, with users claiming that LSSC operates more like a pyramid scheme than a natural or actual scooter sharing company. One person said their friend got roped into investing in the business, promising big returns by recruiting others. When you look closer, this starts to smell like the same tactics used by other pyramid schemes: recruitment and investment promises instead of actual products or services. It's not a good sign when the main money-making opportunity seems to be getting other people to invest. Also, the fact that some people have reported losing more money than they made is a major red flag, especially when it's targeting immigrants or people desperate for income, which makes it even more troubling. Now, I can say with 100% certainty that LSSC is a scam, but based on the evidence I've found, including the Reddit posts, the recruitment-heavy model, and the vague information on their website, I say proceed with extreme caution. There are just too many warning signs to ignore here. And that's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.